ನಗರದ ಸೈಂಟ್ ಅಲೋಷಿಯಸ್ ಡೀಮ್ಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹ್ಯುಮ್ಯಾನಿಟೀಸ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಸೆಮಿನಾರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್ 2026 ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವು ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ LF ರಸ್ಕಿನ ಸಭಾಂಗಣದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯಿತು.
ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಗಣ್ಯರನ್ನ ನೃತ್ಯದ ಮೂಲಕ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಿದರು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ನಟ ವಿಜಯ್ ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ ಅವರು ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಿದರು. ಬಳಿಕ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳನ್ನು ಉದ್ದೇಶಿಸಿ ಸಿನಿಮಾದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಬರವಣಿಗೆಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದರು.
But my only request is I really urge all of you to write more. Content ಅಲ್ಲಿ writing ಇಲ್ಲದೇನೆ we are not finding substance. But we are very happily complaining about Kannada film industry and we are happily complaining about the audience who won't turn up to theaters to watch Kannada films. It's not true. If the film is not good, if the content is not good, language really doesn't matter. ಯಾವ ಭಾಷೆಗಾದರೂ ಜನ ಹೋಗಿ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನೋಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. But what is really missing in us is the element, the most important element, which is called writing. We are not going deep into our rural areas, we are not going deep into our societal stories. We can get thousands of such stories.
ಇನ್ನೋರ್ವ ಅತಿಥಿಯಾಗಿರುವ ದ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ PR ಫಾರ್ಮ್ನ CEO ಮತ್ತು ಫೌಂಡರ್ ಆದ ನಂದಿತಾ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣ್ ಅವರು ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಕೆರಿಯರ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಕು ಚೆಲ್ಲಿದ್ರು.
I'm delighted to be here today. St. Aloysius is more than just an institution, and with over almost a century and a half of shaping minds, of building character, sending young people into the world, I'm honored to know some of them, and I'm here because of one of them, Amit Prabhu, who's doing a lot of work for our industry. I'm equally glad that the School of Media Studies is actively looking at public relations as a significant course and curriculum, and I'm breaking the ceiling in some way by being the first practitioner to speak to all of you. I hope that many of you will consider public relations in its true essence as a career, or at least keep the tenets of public relations no matter what you do. For surprise, you don't need a degree in public relations to be a public relations practitioner, because we all inherently practice.
ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಚಾರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಪೊಟಾಡೋ ಅವರು ಪ್ರಾಸ್ತಾವಿಕ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನಾಡಿದರು.
Who is a celebrity showed how grounded he is with both his feet firmly on the ground, and he is an embodiment of humility. In fact, when I was down there seated near him, I was also wondering, there were so many things that the university showed in that video. But do you remember, dear students, what got the applause? Bigg Boss. I thought about that there, and he also mentioned it here. We are living in a different world altogether. And whatever he spoke today, I'm glad that all of you are listening. Sometimes, we don't listen in today's world. The listening threshold has really gone down.
ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿ ವರ್ಗದವರು ಮತ್ತು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು. ಬ್ಯೂರೋ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ V4 ನ್ಯೂಸ್, ಮಂಗಳೂರು.